Hey guys, Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. I remember being a young boy growing up in Tuscany among the vineyards. No, I'm just kidding. All kidding aside, decided to put together an easy dish, this creamy Tuscany chicken. It is absolutely incredible. You can throw it together in 30 minutes and it's just fantastic. So let me show you how to make this. So to kick things off, guys, what I got here are 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use whatever cut of chicken you like. And I'm going to season this up with some salt. Good old salt. And some of you know what I'm going to say, my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. And some oregano. And of course I'm going to flip these over and do the same for the other side. Next up, I've got my pan over medium-high heat here. And I'm going to go ahead and add in, I'd say about a tablespoon of olive oil. Place the chicken in. And we're going to fry this for a few minutes on each side, just until it's cooked through. And of course, after about 4 minutes or so, I'm just going to give this a flip over. It's nicely browned. After about 5 minutes or so on each side, they're nicely cooked through, so I'm just going to remove them from the pan and set them aside on a plate. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add in a good knob of butter and just kind of give this a swirl around just so it melts down. 3 cloves of minced garlic. And I'm just going to swirl this around just until it's fragrant. And this will take about 30 seconds a minute. About 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes. And we'll cook these just to the point where they're starting to pop. Okay, after they're starting to pop, I'm going to add in about 3 cups of baby spinach. And we'll just stir and cook this until the point where it just begins to wilt. Wilting we will go. Now we're beginning to wilt. I'm going to add in a cup of cream. Now I'm using table cream, but you can use heavy cream, half and half, whatever you like. 1/3 cup of parmesan. I just love parmesan. And we'll hit this with a little bit more salt and some pepper. Give this a stir and we'll reduce the heat a little bit just till we get a low simmer. Then we're going to put the chicken back in and allow this to simmer for about another 5 to 7 minutes. And what we're going to do is spoon some of that delicious sauce over the top occasionally. This looks and smells so good. After about 5 minutes on each side, I'm going to give this a little squirt of lemon. Garnish this up with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, guys, our creamy Tuscany chicken. It doesn't get much easier. Now my favorite part in the whole wide world, guys, is the taste test. So let's cut into this and see what we've got. Guys, without the word of a doubt, this is so good. The creaminess, the spices, the chicken is juicy and tender, just incredible. Just reminds me of my boyhood days in Tuscany. I'm going to eat more. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of stuff you're going to love over there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And as always, stay safe and see you next time.